Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I will be sharing my absolute favorite red lipsticks. I'm obsessed with these shades. They will look gorgeous on all skin tones. So let's get started. The first shade is called Ready to Die and it's by Moat. This is the Moat Velvet Lipstick. It's available on Limes Connect. I have linked all the shades in the description box, so do not forget to check them out. This is a bright candy red shade. It has a coral undertone. It's very vibrant, but it will not wash out any skin tone. It has a matte finish, as you can see, and it's very comfortable on the lips. It's a very unique, bright red shade. The second shade is called Promotion Day and it's from the Huda Beauty Power Bullet collection. This is a matte shade. It has a slight warm undertone. It's a deep power red shade. You can even wear it without any makeup. Now the mini one comes in a kit with one more red shade, but I like this one more and I feel that it looks better on my skin tone. Then we have the shade Kiss Me Red from the Plume Plush Matte Lipsticks. This is a neutral red shade, perfect for all skin tones. The formula and finish of this lipstick is simply stunning. It has a powder matte finish. It also has one stroke intense pigmentation and the packaging is very luxurious. Overall, it's a beautiful red to add to your collection. This shade is also very intriguing. If you wear this lip shade, you are gonna get questions on what lip shade you're wearing. Then we have the shade Romantic Red by Mars. This is their matinee lipstick. This is a warm toned coral red shade. It will look gorgeous on you if you have olive or warm undertone. Pair it with some golden eyeshadow and it just looks magical. It goes on very smooth on your lips and it does not dry out your lips, but it does settle into a completely transfer proof powder matte finish. Then we have the shade Chili from MAC. It's a matte lipstick. The shade is a warm toned red. It's a bit more muted than the other red shades I saw in this video. It has a hint of brown that makes it a really unique red. It's a matte lipstick, but it has a soft matte finish, as you can see. Next up is my favorite red shade. It's called Own Your Empire. It's a blue toned red from the Maybelline Superstay Crayon Lipsticks. It's a deep ruby red shade. I love the formula. It's long wearing. It looks stunning on my warm olive skin tone. It will also look good on cool or neutral undertone. This is the best intense cool toned red shade I have. And that's it. I have nothing else to say about it. For me, it's the definition of a perfect red. Next up I have the shade Flirtist, which is a neutral red leaning slightly to the warm side. This is from the Plume Luxe Matte Liquid Lipstick. It has a powder matte finish and it's a scarlet red shade, I'd say. The finish is powder matte, it's completely transfer proof, it's weightless and also hydrating, it will not dry out your lips. It's a very comfortable liquid lipstick, it will not exaggerate the fine lines of your lips. The final shade is from PAC. This is the PAC Retro Matte Gloss. The shade number is 56 and it's called Hottila. It's a matte gloss. To me, it just feels like a good liquid matte lipstick. It's transfer proof, non-drying and has a powder matte finish. The color is this gorgeous bright red. This is a beautiful popping red and has a neutral undertone. It will look good on all skin tones, and that's it for the video. Those are my favorite red shades. These are basically the only red shades I use. Hope you guys like this video, hope you find it helpful. If you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.